Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Throughout this week, I'm going to be reflecting on one of the scripture readings for daily Mass for each day of the week. Because as I look through those readings, I noticed that there was a unifying theme, something that shines through each one of the readings that I chose to call to your attention and reflect upon. And that theme is something we've heard about many times, but which we can never be reminded about enough. And that is simply that God is with us. And so in the first reading for today's Mass, it says, in the first year of Cyrus, king of Persia, in order to fulfill the word of the Lord spoken by Jeremiah, the Lord inspired King Cyrus of Persia to issue this proclamation throughout his kingdom, both by word of mouth and in writing. Thus says Cyrus, king of Persia, all the kingdoms of the earth, the Lord, the God of heaven, has given to me, and he has also charged me to build him a house in Jerusalem, which is in Judah. Therefore, whoever among you belongs to any part of his people, let him go up, and may his God be with him. What is really interesting about this reading, among other things, and surprising, is that it is God, according to the book of Ezra, it is God who inspires King Cyrus to issue this proclamation. This says, in another section of the book of the prophet Isaiah, Isaiah actually uses the word for Cyrus that he is God's anointed one. He is, in effect, God's Messiah, God's own agent here on earth. So what that says is that God is the Lord of history. This is what the author of the book of Ezra and the author of the book of Isaiah are affirming, that our God is the Lord of history, that our God is the God of the universe. And so God, what that means is that for us, God is present everywhere, and God is present at every moment and in every experience of our lives. Whether we acknowledge God or not, just as King Cyrus did not know that it was the God of the Israelites who spoke to him. So even when we're not aware of God's presence in our life, God is there and God is with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a very good Monday.